So you clicked on this video because you're interested on how to make money in the markets. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how I did it just recently within this stock RDW. I'm going to remove everything and kind of show you how I would break this down on the weekly time frame. We'd even look at the monthly. Look at this thing. Look at this. I was a part of this whole move. So, I mean, you could even just see from right here. Let's just say here. Probably could be a little tighter on that, but this thing had a massive weekly downtrend and then a break and a pop. Look at all these moving averages. That's what I want to see when I trade, and that's what I do when I do trade. So we popped out. I was not a part of this. Wasn't a part of this. Boom. This is my entry. We pushed back underneath, rejected off this trend line, and let's now break down where my exact entry was. This would be the previous day's lows. So we swept those, rejected them. And because we are so close to previous day's lows, as simple as reclaim a previous day's lows, stop loss 1.88. My first, I got this magnet on too tight. Let's do this. Let me stretch this out. First target was right here. Or no. No, 1287. Where's that? That's this. First target was 1287. And then that same day, we basically ripped up. Like the following day, we were 30% from buying. So even if you kept holding, which I did, I only trimmed. I was trading option contracts, $12 calls. I entered down here with a 1.8 stop loss. So first trim was here, and I continue holding. I mean, we could look on the daily. If this was the day I entered, this day, which it should have been this day now that I'm watching it, or, in hindsight, this day saw this massive amounts of volume, actually higher than the day we moved 22% in a single day. Saw massive amounts of volume, pulled down, and basically we were chopping between this 1460. I'm going to show you on the 1 hour. This was just clear support resistance, support resistance, support resistance. And you could even get it tighter to this maybe 1330s. Like, that is just pure support resistance. We break out the box, push, reject, and basically added another contract here, $20 contract, same expirations, June 18th. And it was 75 cents or $75 for the contract. And we continue holding. We gap up. So for these all days, basically still holding my full position minus the one trim, $80. Trimmed up into this high of the day, which was $465. And let this thing ride out. So then I was fully out of the $12 calls, which, yes, I should have held on. I didn't know there's going to be double gap ups. And this is something I'll look in hindsight. Ultimately, I was targeting this 2666. Yes, I don't like that. It was even an equal high, evilness. Basically hit this almost to the T, 2664. This also happened more or less pre-market. So not so much in the post or during market. Like in the market, yes, but I was hoping that we kept pushing higher. We did not. And we never hit my exact TP, so I never took the TP on the $12 call. This is my overall exit. So about 300 in and about 800 out. And I'm not saying I put 300 in and that 300 is a part of the 800. 800 strictly from profit. The first trade being a 1 to 8.8. The second trim being a 1 to 33 or 1 to 34 with a 61% gain on stock price. So just stock price alone, I mean, this thing went 140% in the matter of 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, because I got in on kind of the partial end of this day. So Wednesday, midweek, held it up. Yeah, so like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And this is something where I'm a college student. I just graduated college. I'm still searching for that first career job. And for the past 2 years, I've learned and been learning option swing trading. And for the past 2.5, 3 months has been my strongest ever. Before that, I took a 7 to 8 month break practically. And if you enjoyed this video, press that like. If you enjoyed so much, subscribe, comment down below what you would like to see next. And I want to start producing more content, so that's what I'll be doing. If you have any questions, hit me on Instagram, Chris Jarrod, ChrisJarod. And yeah, have a great rest of your day.